Well, as you can tell from some of the videos that I've posted recently, I did get a TR-77 Crosman pellet gun. And inside the stock, it does have a storage compartment. And I want to do this video just to show you what I've decided to put inside the storage compartment instead of leaving it empty. I do plan on taking this pellet gun out next hunting season and doing some squirrel hunting instead of the shotgun, because the shotgun is a lot louder than a pellet gun, and so it won't spook the deer during squirrel season, deer season. But here is what I decided so far to put inside my stock, because I do plan on going somewhere where I can hunt and fish at the same time. Well, here is the Crosman TR-77 tactical pellet gun. It does have a storage compartment back here, this section and this section. You take this rubber piece off, that off to the side. This little compartment right here, I decided to put a lens cleaning cloth. Pull it out here. There it goes. This is what comes with the rifle. It's a nice size one. But, you know, that's there to clean the lens of your scope. A spent 20 gauge shotgun shell will slide right into this area, which I plan on going out and shooting some 20 gauge just so I can get the shells and recycle them, so I can put the cloth inside the shell and just slide it right in there. But I haven't got any spent shells right now, so leave that there. Also, for the big compartment, I took a Tic Tac container, as you can see, and filled it full of the pellets, Crosman pellets, destroyers. Yeah, there's like flat ones. There's different kinds in here. And all you gotta do is just, you know, pull some out. You got some in your hand. I did take some duct tape, wrapped it around there, just for survival situations, you know. I don't know for what, but you know, I might need some duct tape for something. Actually, it's not duct tape. That is gorilla tape. Put that there. Then also, I'm gonna slide my finger in there and see if I can get it. Yep. Pull this one out first. I have a little packet here of 15 feet of bow tying thread, which I put in here to serve the purpose of, I guess this one, yeah, it's a little bit thicker, to serve the purpose of setting snare traps. Rabbit, raccoon. There's only 15 feet in there, which I might even roll up some more. Probably go like 30 feet. Then I have my fishing line. And this is it's not spider wire, but it's a braided material. I got 20 feet of that. So that's a fishing line, which I can tie onto a branch or a stick or something that can make a fishing pole. Which I have a little fishing kit going on here. I'm going to scoot this down a little bit. inside my fishing kit. Get this open. Inside my fishing kit, I have these little eyelets that I can screw into a stick, branch, something that I can feed my line through for more support. I didn't pull them all out. I got like 5 or 6 in there. I do have a few jigs and fly jigs in there. There's some more of the eyelets. Let me put them down here. Got a bobber, sliding bobber. Just empty the whole thing out here. Oh, of course you got your sinkers, split shot sinkers. Another eyelet, sinkers. And you got your hooks. I got big hooks in here for the catfish, fishing off the bottom, because you can pretty much use anything for the catfish. And for the sliding bobber there, I got the tie and the little bead, and then I got smaller hooks, basically for like bluegill, trout, eyelet. It's basically 3 small hooks, 3 large hooks, 1 fly jig, 1 just regular tube jig, 3 sinkers, split shot sinkers, 6 eyelets, 1 sliding bobber, and then for bait, this is Berkeley trilene bait. You got the little cubes right there, and then also I have I think 2 of the worms, kind of representative, like a night crawler or something. I can get this open, pull one out. Sure as pull it out here. Pull this out here. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. See how the little bait, but it's like the worm Berkeley trilene power baits. If anything, I can chop this in little sections, use them on the small hooks, catch me some bluegill. And then of course, if I catch the bluegill, I can catch the catfish. Just gotta chop them up, use the bait, and then I can see that the little cubes, the neon cubes here, are getting smashed. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put them in separate packs. But the little baits, right there. It's about the size of it. I've caught plenty of bluegill off of them, and they do work. But I'm gonna have to figure something out with this. But put that on there. Also in here, in the stock, I have a lighter, a little mini lighter, which I can use to cook any kind of fish. You know, start a little fire. And then I got a target in case. You know, I need to sight in my scope a little bit. That's one bad thing that I do not like on this TR-77 is the fixed sights. There was one YouTube user that mentioned that, and I have to agree with him. But that's all I got in there. Let me make sure. Yep. that's all I got in there for now. My battery's about ready to die. I just charged it up real quick, but this is pretty much what I have inside my stock right here on the TR-77 Crosman. If you can give me like a video response on any more ideas, what else I could put on in here or whatever, please let me know. Thanks for watching.